Okay, I'll give you information. I'll give you some small example. For example, here comes the bus. This bus is a subject because bus is coming. Sweet are the use of adversity. Sweet is a subject. And this subject is giving information or the use of adversity. So in a sentence, there is a subject and there is a predicate. In a simple word, predicate means prediction. It tells you something, predicts you something about the sentence. Here comes the bus. Bus is a subject and it comes. So bus, subject, here comes, the is a predicate. Sit down. There is no subject here, but it means that somebody is saying you sit down. Or thank him. Further, you will understand in exercises that how you can have a command on subject and predicate. So we will discuss about subject and predicate in detail in question answers and exercises.